Want to slash your electricity bills and power your home with clean energy? Today we're diving into Tesla's solar panels, how they perform, what the warranty covers, how much you might actually pay, and whether they're worth it. Stick around. This might change the way you think about home energy. Tesla's solar panels let you convert sunlight into electricity for your home, pairing smoothly with Tesla's Powerwall battery and app for monitoring. They're sleek, all black, and designed to sit close to your roof, so you get clean power without clunky hardware sticking out. Now that you know what they are, let's see how well they actually work. These panels are solid performers. Rated around 400 to 420 watts per panel, they typically deliver efficiency in the 19 to 21% range, meaning a strong balance of power and cost. While not the absolute highest efficiency on the market, they're competitive with many mainstream solar brands and great for most homes. So they perform well, but what if something goes wrong? That's where the warranty comes in. Tesla backs its panels with a 25-year product and performance warranty, promising a high level of power output over time, about 98% after 1 year, then gradual decline up to 25 years. They also include a 10-year comprehensive warranty that covers your system's workmanship and hardware issues. This is about industry standard and gives homeowners long-term peace of mind. So they're protected, but what about your wallet? Tesla doesn't list exact prices on its website, but most estimates show a solar system costing roughly $15,000 to $30,000 before incentives, depending on how big your setup is and whether you add batteries like Powerwall. After the federal tax credit, up to around 30% off, your net cost could be significantly lower. That can save you thousands over time, especially as utility rates climb. In short, Tesla solar panels are an attractive, integrated solution for homeowners who want clean energy, solid performance, and long warranty coverage. They're not the cheapest option possible, but the Tesla ecosystem and nationwide support make them a strong choice, especially if you already love Tesla tech. What matters most to you when choosing solar price, performance, warranty, or brand? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more clean energy updates.